Good day, everyone. We have a question to solve. The question says use logarithm table to evaluate what you are seeing now on the screen. So it's a YA question. One of the years, it's a theory question, so I want to be solving the question. So you follow me and follow the steps I will use here. So we have number, we have log. So the first thing we do, we bring out this first number, which is 15.05. So we express it first in standard form. So if we express it in standard form, it gives us 1.505 times 10 raised to power 1. That 1 at the power is what you bring at 1 point. And we check from our 4-figure table, 15 under 0 difference 5, and that gives us 1775. And we check the next, take the next part, which is square root of 0.00695. So we first of all express that number in standard form. So if we express it in standard form, it gives us 6.95 times 10 raised to power minus 3, because it's a negative value. We move our point 1, 2, 3 times to our right hand side, so it's a negative value. So we have bar 3, which is minus 3. Bar 3 means minus 3. Then we check from our 4-figure table, 69 under 5, 69 under 5, and that gives us 8420. Then we have to, this square root sign, when you see square root sign in a logarithm question, it means you are going to divide. So we are dividing by 2, because square root in mathematics means raised to power 1 over 2. So we are dividing by 2. But assuming we have something like 3 here, or 4 or 5, then we divide by that number. But since there is no number, it means we are dividing by 2. But we cannot divide this number by 2, so we have to split it first. We divide it into 2 different parts. So first of all, we have minus 3 plus 0.8420 divided by 2. We cannot divide it like that. So minus 3 cannot be divided by 2 to give us a whole number, because we need a whole number there. So we are going to add a number to the 3. So a number that 2 can divide is 4. So we add one number to that 3 to make it 4. I know we have a minus sign here, but we are not looking at the minus sign. So we add 1 to the 3 to make it 4. So we have bar 4 plus that number you've added to this 3 to make it 4. That 1, you add it to this 1 or these other numbers also. So it becomes 1.8420. And we cannot divide it by 2. So if we divide by 2, bar 4 divided by 2 gives us bar 2, plus, then if we divide 1.8420 by 2, it gives us 0.9210. So bring it to this other side, bar 2. So if we add this together, it gives us bar 2.9210. Then our multiplication here means we are going to be adding this number and this number. So we bring the value for this 15.05 here, which is 1.1775, and we add 5 plus 0 gives us 5, 7 plus 1 gives us 8, 2 plus 7 gives us 9, and 1 plus 9 gives us 10. So you put down 0, carry 1. That one you carried, you add it to this one to make it 2. 2 plus minus 2 2 plus minus 2. Minus times plus gives us minus. So it becomes 2 minus 2. And that gives us 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then we go to the next part, what we have at the bottom, which is 6.95 times 10 raised to power 2. 6.95 times 10 raised to power 2. So this number has already been expressed in standard form. So it is the value we have in the power we have in the standard form. That is what we write at. So we have our 2 point. Then we check for 69 under 5. 69 under 5. 69 under 5. And that gives us the same value, which is 8420. So bring the value this way, because what we have is division. The question says you divide it by the value you have here. So we bring it under here and we divide. We have 2.8420. So division in logarithm means subtraction. So we are going to subtract these values. So 5 minus 0 gives us 5. 8 minus 2 gives us 6. 9 minus 4 gives us 5. And 0 minus 8 cannot. So we borrow 1 from 0. So if we borrow 1 from 0, it becomes by 1. So it means we are owing 1 there. So we'll bring the 1 here. It becomes 10. 10 minus 8 gives us 2. And point minus 1 minus 3. We are owing 1. We are owing 3. Minus 1 minus 2. We are owing 1 here. We are owing 2 here. So if we bring what we are owing together, it becomes 3. So it means it's by 3. Then from there we have to check our value from our 4-figure table to get our anti-log. Get our anti-log value. So that gives us, if we check it from anti-log, it gives us, so we check anti-log 25 under 6 difference 5. 25 under 6 difference 5. And that will give us 1.805 from our anti-log. 1.805. Then it is not finished. So we use this our bar theory. That is the work it has. We use it. Any number you have here is what you use in counting your point at the very end of your calculation. So use it to count our point. Since it's bar 3 minus 3, it means we are moving to our left hand side. But if it is a positive value, we move to our right hand side. So move it 3 times to our left hand side. So that gives us our answer, which is so this is our final answer. That gives us 0.001805. Then the question says you should evaluate it to 3 SF. I forgot to write that part out. To 3 SF, 3 significant figures. So we are going to approximate to 3 significant figures. So we start counting from here, 1, 2, 3. Then we check 5. It's up to 5. We take it as, round it up as 1. Add it to this 0. So it becomes 1. So our final answer, therefore, our answer is equal to 0.00181. So that is the answer to the question. So after watching the video, if you have any question you want to ask, please write down your comments. Write your comment, any question you have or any recommendation. And also I want you to connect to join my Telegram group with the number 08134359907. 08134359907. Please bring your questions. I will help you to the best of my knowledge in the way I can help you. Please, I want you to bring your questions. Any problem at all, any part of mathematics that is giving you problem, that you are having difficulty, please bring it. It's my work, it's my duty. It's the reason why I'm embarking on this journey, this project to simplify mathematics. Please do to subscribe. Please, the subscription is very, very important. Please encourage me by subscribing. Please invite your friends, invite your neighbors, your relatives to join this platform, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get more of my videos. Thank you.